We're now going to look at the new colour selection tools available to us in AutoCAD 2010. Now, as you can see there, we've got various objects on the screen already, all in different colours, and each layer that those objects are drawn on has its own individual colour. So, for example, we have a rectangle layer that is blue, a polygon layer that is magenta, a polyline layer or line layer that is green, and a circle layer that is red. Now, the way to change those colours would normally be to go to the Properties palette, or we would go to the Home tab, and here in the Layers panel we would go to Layer Properties here. So what I would do there, the Layer Properties palette appears. As you can see, the green tick indicates that the polygon layer is the current layer. If I double click on 0 there, like so, 0 becomes the current drafting layer. It tells you that at the top of the palette there. But what we've got here are various layers, various colours. You can see that the little blue swatch here indicates that all the layers are being used. And what we can do here, if I wanted to change the colour of my circle, let's say, let's just move the palette up a little bit so that we can see that circle here. If I click on red here, what will happen is it will take me into the AutoCAD Colour Index. Now, one of the nice things in AutoCAD 2010 is they've improved the little selection tool. It's a little black box around each colour swatch now. It used to be white and used to be somewhat difficult to see, but it's so much easier to pick out a colour now. So I'm going to change the colour of my circles now to, let's say, this green colour here. I click on the green with the little selector there. There's my selected colour. There's my previously selected colour. I click on OK there now. That colour changes. You can see that. Look, the circle is now green, and it's colour 90 there in the Layer Properties Manager. Now, that's the normal way that you would have to do it. However, in AutoCAD 2010, you don't have to do that anymore. Let's close the Layer Properties Manager. What I can do now is I can utilise my layer pull down here. There's my circle layer there. I can just click on the colour itself in the pull down, and it opens up the AutoCAD Colour Index. Fantastic, we're bypassing the Layer Properties Manager. So I can now go back to my red here, select my red. So there's my red, my selected colour. There's my green, my previously selected colour. I click on OK, and the circle goes back to red. That is extremely useful. It saves me having to keep going to the Layer Properties Manager all the time to change layer colour. Very, very easy to use. So I go to the rectangle, like so. You can see that that's on the rectangle layer. Yeah? If I hit escape just to deselect that now, layer pull down, there's rectangle, click on the colour. I'm going to change the colour to this pinky colour here. There's my selected colour. There's my previously selected colour, the blue. I OK that now, and lo and behold, I now have a pink rectangle. To change it back, again, really quick and easy. Click on the colour for the rectangle, go and find my blue, there's my blue, click on OK. Look at how quick and easy that is. A lot less mouse clicks, a lot less confusing. I just go straight to the colour in my pull down menu. So remember, avoid the Layer Properties Manager, layer pull down, and colour in the layer pull down like so.